Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, here we have the question. So for example, this is the part of the circle or one quadrant of the circle, and we have to find out the radius of that. So this is the line touching the circle, and this is another line, and this is another line. So we have to find out the radius. So this is, for example, 8 centimeters or whatever. So and this is 14 and this is 6. So extending this line from here, so and extending this line also from here, so we have the two right angle triangles over here. Now this is 8 equivalent to that one, so this is the radius and this extended line is h. So from this right angle triangle, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So the same we are doing over here. 8 square plus 14 plus h whole square is equal to r square. So this is 64 plus 14 square plus 2 multiplied by 14 multiplied by h. So we are applying the a plus b whole square formula, plus h square equal to r square. So 64 plus 196 plus 28h plus h square equal to r square. So this is 260 plus 28h plus h square equal to r square. So this is, for example, the equation 1. So again we have the same figure, and this time we are going to find out the radius from this, and this is the r radius. So we are working over this right angle triangle, and this is h equivalent to that line. So now here we are doing the same thing. So 8 plus h, so this is the base of that. So 8 plus 6 whole square plus h, this is the perpendicular, h square equal to r square. So here we have 196 plus h square equal to r square. So this is our equation 2. Now comparing both the equations, so we have 260 plus 28h plus h square equal to 196 or 14 square plus h square. So 260 plus 28h plus h square equal to 196 plus h square. So h square will be cancelled. So now here we have 28h equal to 196 minus 260, so that will be minus 64. So h will be minus 2.28, but we have to find out the radius. So putting the value of h in any one of the equation, so 14 square plus h square equal to r square, 196 plus minus 2.28 instead of h equal to r square. So 196 plus 5.1984 equal to r square. So here we have 201.19 equal to r square. So squaring both sides, we will get r radius 14.18. Thanks for watching.